Listen up, because what I'm about to reveal about saving your first 1,000 will probably shock you. Most people think saving means painful sacrifices, cutting out coffee, or never having fun. They believe you need a high income or a super strict budget to hit that first major savings goal. That's the biggest myth holding you back, and frankly, it's boring advice. Your first 1,000 is likely already within your grasp, hidden in plain sight, not in extra sacrifices, but in unlocked potential. Think about it this way: how much are you paying for subscriptions you never use? Let's do some quick, simplified math. Imagine you discover just 2 unused subscriptions costing $15 each. That's $30 a month you can instantly save. Or that pile of clothes you haven't worn in a year. Or that old gadget collecting dust. Consider finding just 5 a day. Maybe it's from making your own lunch, skipping an impulse buy, or a small refund. Do that for 7 months. 150 multiplied by 7 equals 1050. The actionable first step you can take today is a dormant dollar detox. Grab bank statements, look around your house, and identify 3 things you're paying for but not using, or 3 items you can sell. This isn't professional financial advice, just practical education to get you started. Always do your own research or consult an expert for your specific situation. Embrace this new mindset. Saving your first 1,000 isn't a struggle. It's an exciting treasure hunt. It's about unlocking your financial potential, taking a powerful step towards true financial freedom. You have more control than you think. Go find that money,